I mean, I'm Superman. It's a bird. It's a plane.
Not letting go.
No, it's me, Superman.
Sean.
What? You got to learn how to fly. Bumbleclot. Yo, this shit is crazy. Ah, so peaceful up here. That's what this is what the birds be seeing and shit. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh. Imagine if we fall.
Sean.
Like what the
This is
fuck?
not the time.
All right, chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out.
This is not the time.
Look at the boat. What the fuck? Look at my sexy feet.
You can tell when he moving the boat though.
Yeah. Yo, if you could do this, you can do anything that got to do with heights. Cause yo, what the fuck? Six Flags got shit on this shit. What the fuck? Look at this shit. Look at this shit.